Hello, my name is Addison. Today I will be making molten chocolate cake. These are the ingredients that you will require to make 6 individual cakes. You will need 5 ounces of chocolate chips, 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 large eggs, 3 large egg yolks, 1½ cups of powdered sugar, and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. First, you will need to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Butter the little souffle cups. Then stir the chocolate and butter in a heavy saucepan over a low heat until melted. Allow the mixture to cool slightly. Then you need to whisk the eggs and egg yolks in a large bowl to blend. Then whisk in the sugar, then the chocolate mixture, then the flour. Pour the batter into the cups. Bake for 11 minutes or until the sides are set and the center is soft and gooey. Run a small knife around the edge to loosen the cakes. Then put them on individual plates. Sprinkle with sugar if you do not think they're sweet enough.